In today's video, I'm going to do an unboxing and quick look at the DesertWest wireless charger for smartphones. So stay tuned. Hi, this is Andrew from T is for Tech. Over the course of the next couple videos, I'm going to be reviewing a few different Qi wireless chargers for the iPhone or your compatible Android, Samsung, phones that support wireless charging. And the first one that I have is from a company called DesertWest. This is available on Amazon, and it's a 15-watt Qi certified fast wireless charger, and it's compatible with all the brands I just kind of mentioned, so Samsung, LG V30, iPhone, and all of that. Just a few quick specs on this. According to their marketing materials, they are the first wireless charger with Qi MPA11 EPP certification, and the maximum output power is up to 15 watts. It has fast charge mode, which enables charging speed that's quicker, right? They say up to 40% faster than other past wireless chargers. And it has kind of built-in safe charge, eliminating overheating, stray radiation, those sorts of things. And some of the charging compatibility is based on the phone as well as the charge adapter that you use with the wireless charger. So for instance, the LG V30, you can get 15-watt fast charge mode using a quick charge 2 or 3 adapter. The Samsung phones, so the Galaxy 9, S9 Plus, Note 8, Note 9, all of those will get up to 10-watt fast charge mode, also using a quick charge 2 or 3 adapter. And there's a 7.5 watt fast charge mode that will work with the iPhone XS Max, iPhone XR, XS, 10, 8, 8 Plus. Or I'll link to the actual listing in Amazon as part of this. But basically what I'm going to do today is just take a look at this, unbox it real quick, and test it out with a couple phones. So that was a long intro, but basically this is the DesertWest C2 wireless charger. Comes in just a nice black box. So here, this is actually kind of a nice presentation. Wireless charger, voltage protection. It has a rubber anti-skid lip, kind of like I have a Samsung wireless charger that does that also has that kind of anti-skid. It's supposed to have soft lighting, so it has like a lit ring around underneath the phone. Let's see what we have here. So basically, you open the box and you get a little plastic tray, and inside plastic tray you have the wireless charger and a USB Type-C charge cable. So it does not come with a wall adapter, so you'll have to use the wall adapter that came with your iPhone or your Samsung or LG or whatever device, but it is a USB-C cable. And let's see what we have here. So DesertWest, Amazon DesertWest, Exploring Premium Digital Life. So basically thanking you for your order. How do you get in contact with them? We have a wireless charger instructions. So input type 5 volt at 2 amps, 9 volt at 2 amps, 12 volt at 1.5 amps. Like I said, it has 15 watt max power. The induction charging distance says 4 to 6 millimeters. So basically, if you have a case on your phone that's not, thicker than 4 to 6 millimeters, I guess, it should be okay to charge. So it gives you a little diagram of the sensor zone and the indicator light and all that. So just basic instructions. So, okay, we'll put this stuff aside. Okay, so we have the device, and it's actually pretty hefty. Feels like it's made out of aluminum. So it does have some weight. This ring on here looks kind of like a champagne type color ring. I don't know if you can see that in the light. There's the logo, and this is actually kind of metal, but this is rubber. So this little logo, DesertWest logo in the center, is kind of like the anti-skid. I'm assuming that's what they meant by that. Yeah, and there's a rubber on the bottom so that it doesn't move around the table. So I'm going to try to put this here and just tilt this down a little bit. Okay. And right now I'm going to plug this into Samsung Quick Charge. So I'm just going to plug this into Samsung Adaptive Fast Charging wall adapter. Okay, so I've got the charger plugged in, and I'm gonna just plop down my Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Okay, so that turned on. I don't know if you could see that. It says fast charge wirelessly 66%, about 1 hour, 1 minute until fully charged. Okay, so it does, so if I put it on, it does register fairly quickly and start charging. So on my Galaxy Note 9, it says basically the fast charging turns on, and it says it will basically take another hour to charge up the rest of the way. Yeah, an hour to go from 66% to 100. Now, if I just plug this in to the phone itself, see what it says. So when I plug into the phone, it says basically about 54 minutes to full. So between a direct connection to the adaptive fast charger on the Samsung, it says 54 minutes, and this said an hour and 1 minute. So that's, I don't know what percentage loss that is from using the wireless version versus the wired. I'll calculate that, but it seems fairly small power loss by using the charger. Now, I would compare this with a Samsung wireless charger, but I don't have one. I don't have the fast charge capable one. I only have a slower, a little bit older one that doesn't charge as quickly. I don't even know the specs on it. It was one of those things I grabbed at Best Buy one day. It was open box clearance sort of thing, and I didn't really think too much about it when I got it. I just got it. So that's the Galaxy Note 9. So with this one, I'm going to use the standard wall adapter that comes with the iPhone 10, which is not a fast charger, which is something stupid. I think Apple should give you the fast charger with the phone. But I'm going to try this and see what it says. So basically, the stock that comes with the iPhone So plug that in, drop this down. 67% I have it. It did recognize. Swipe to unlock. So it starts charging. Yeah, that's basically charging. And the iPhone does not give you kind of any anticipation of how long that's going to take with the standard cable. So, same thing now, it's just I've got the lightning cable plugged in, 67% charged, starts charging. So this I might have to actually do like a test and time it to see kind of how fast it charges. So maybe I'll have to do that a little bit here. But I will then try plugging the wireless charger into the Samsung fast charger. So see what happens then. So I did run a charger testing app from the App Store. Honestly, don't know how accurate this is or not. But using this plugged in to the Samsung fast charger ends up saying that this thing ran for about 8 minutes and says the charging speed is slow. So in the 8 minutes or so, it was able to charge 289.28 milliamp hours. So the app I use is this charger testing app. So I think the deal is, though, this is something with, and I'm more of an Android guy anyways. I have an iPhone, but at this point, you know, Apple does some confusing stuff, and I don't know why they just don't have something like the Samsung where it kind of estimates how long it's going to take, and you know, if it's using fast charging or not. I don't know why they hide that from people. It seems kind of stupid, actually. But regardless, so I don't think that any wireless charging pad that you have is going to give you the fast charge rates that Apple advertises for these. And I could be totally wrong. And please, if somebody knows more than me about this, definitely throw some comments in the comment section below. But I don't even have, like I said, I don't have a fast charge device from Apple to even test the difference. I just have basically the wall adapter that they provide as part of the the retail box. So long story short, not 100% sure I can tell you what, how this is going to really work with your iPhone, other than it works, right? So you can charge your phone. It's probably just not going to be at the highest rates that the iPhone can support. And again, I don't know if any third-party Qi charger will be able to accomplish that at this point. So I'll have to do a little bit of research on that and come back. But like I said, the iPhone or the Android. Turn the brightness up a little bit. With the Galaxy Note 9, it does say that it's fast charging. So I'm going to do that. The other thing I want to test real quick, like I said, is putting the cases on the phones. So I'm going to put a Spigen Tough Armor case on the iPhone. This looks terrible in the video. Spigen Tough Armor case. I did a review on this case. I still use it as my daily case for this phone. It's holding up really well, and I do like it. So I'm going to try that. So I'm going to do this. So pop that down. Okay, and it starts charging. So case works on here, and this is, it's not the biggest case, but it's not thin either, right? So yeah, just got to get it positioned right. But yeah, so that works. And then I basically have the same thing for the Galaxy. Also have a Spigen Tough Armor case. I like these cases mostly because I like the kickstand. So when I'm like somewhere and I want to plop it down, I like how that works. Anyways, so same thing. Oops. Turn this off. Flop it down. Fast charge wirelessly, and that's and that gets kicked off. So works with the cases, works without the cases, obviously. So that's basically what I wanted to cover today with the DesertWest C2 wireless charger. Did a quick unboxing and you know, kind of validated that it worked. It does enable fast charging with the Samsung Galaxy Note. Questionable on the iPhone. I mean, it obviously charges the iPhone, just I don't know at what rate. I'm assuming it's not a fast charge because just the goofiness with Apple. So all in all, I think this is a pretty nice option. Like I said, it's well made. Seems to, you know, work pretty well. I'll be testing it out kind of over the next couple weeks, and I don't know if I'll do an update video or not, but I'll definitely you know, kind of come back and leave some comments in the video if I have any negative experiences. I mean, it seems like it seems like a pretty solid device. I'm sure that I'm probably not going to have any issues, but if I do, I will definitely let you guys know. So this was an unboxing for the DesertWest C2 wireless charger. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.